This is the Y91 Health Band. It does all kinds of good vital sign measurements. You've got your time of day, step count, calories burned, and distance traveled from the onboard pedometer. You can get heart rate in beats per minute using diodes in the back, green ones as a matter of fact. From that same system of measurement, you can get your blood pressure reading as well. Then you can go on and see last night's sleep time, and on the app there's a detailed chart that shows you the breakdown of your sleep by light and deep sleep as well. You have blood oxygen capability, and it uses the new red diode technology, which also allows it to monitor for sleep apnea and actually vibrate the band if you have a sleep apnea event. This is for ECG testing, and it'll give you your heart rate through ECG using this plate on the front and a plate on the back. And you have a few different sporting activities that you can go into, including outdoor runs, walks, indoor runs. That's pretty much it. Ellipticals, stationary bikes, and so forth. You finally, after all of that, and it does reset every time you wait too long, you can turn the band off or come back to the watch face. It's a really nice, lightweight, IP67, I believe, so you can definitely get it with your sweat on it. The band is charged by removing the proper one of the connectors, and they just snap back on again. It's the Y91 Health and Fitness Band. Check it out.